Guess My Number is one of NumberGym's most versatile programs. It's aimed at children who have learned to count and recognize numbers right through to those who are learning about decimals and negative numbers. It provides a linear experience of the landscape of number. On the screen at the moment, you can see a number line which stretches from 0 to 30. And the number we're trying to guess is the one where the question mark is. So we could talk to children and say, well, it's more than halfway. It's nearer to 30 than it is to 0. What should we go for? And they might say 20. So I'm going to key in on the keypad 20 and then click the tick. Oh, and it shows me, I'm quite close. It shows me where 20 is. So I clearly want a number that's more than 20. And so I'm going to go to 5. And once again, it shows me where 25 is. So I want a number that's in between 20 and 25. Now it looks to me as if it's going to be more likely to be 23 than 22. So I'm going to put in 23, click the tick, and yes, I've got it right. And it tells me that it took me 3 guesses. So if you were to go away and leave a child to play on their own and you come back and you look over their shoulder and they say 18 guesses or whatever, you know that they're probably working on a level that is not suitable for them. If I go to the options, you can see what the alternatives are. So we've got number lines that start at an earlier level, just from 0 to 10, all the way up to 0 to 100, a random 10, and so on, including negative numbers. Another way of playing this is not to see where the number is. So there's no clues. It could be anywhere on this 0 to 30 line. So I'm going to suggest that we go for a middle number. Now, this presupposes that children who are playing it in this way are slightly more advanced and can tell you that roughly halfway is 15. So it's always a good strategy to go for the number in the middle. Now this tells me that it's too small. 15 is too small, so I want a number that's on the right hand side of the line, and I'm going to go for 20. And 20 is too small, so I'm going to go for 25. And now it's in between there. 22 perhaps. Yes. Now this can be an exciting game if we go to the options and select 2-player mode. And in this mode, players can take turns to see who can get there first. So please enjoy Guess My Number.